Hi. This week, we've been exploring new dimensions, and one of the biggest changes in our world today is artificial intelligence. Now, one idea I find most fascinating about AI is that relationships themselves can become geometric. Now, that may sound odd at first, but it's actually a beautiful mathematical idea. Our intuition is usually that language comes from a dictionary, where we have definitions, rules, and grammar. But when AI works with language, it does not simply store words like dictionary entries. Instead, words and ideas are placed into enormous mathematical spaces with many dimensions. And in those spaces, similar ideas are positioned near each other. Different ideas are further apart. For example, the words king, queen, man, and woman all develop relationships to one another inside this geometric landscape. A famous example in AI is king minus man plus woman approximately equals queen. And I find this pretty interesting. Meaning itself becomes shape. Relationships become geometry. And AI was not explicitly programmed with all of these connections. Many of the patterns emerge naturally as the system learns relationships from enormous amounts of information. The more dimensions available, the richer the understanding becomes. In a simple two-dimensional world, relationships can overlap and become difficult to organize. But in higher dimensions, patterns separate more naturally. Suddenly, AI can recognize faces and voices, writing styles, even emotions and language, and connections between ideas. I think this is another example of what Eddie Wu means when he says mathematics gives us a new sense for seeing reality. Math allows us to see relationships that were previously invisible. Not just isolated facts or definitions, but connections between things. And what I have found is the deeper I explore mathematics, the more alive it feels. Algebra connects to geometry. Geometry connects to motion. Motion connects to waves. Waves connect to sound and light. Patterns connect across completely different areas of reality. Now, the big idea in all this is the branches keep connecting back to the same living tree. And in many ways, AI itself is connecting mathematics back to ordinary human life. When we use AI, we are not merely performing a search. We're bringing our questions. We bring our struggles, our ideas, and our relationships into conversation. AI intersects mathematics, language, and human experience. But as fascinating as AI is, we are not machines. We have something deeper, a soul. For starters, the human soul has the ability to transform knowledge into wisdom. Wisdom is not simply collecting more information, it is developing a new sense for how things connect. A difficult experience deepens compassion. Failure produces humility. Suffering changes how we understand others. Over time, disconnected moments begin forming a larger pattern. We begin realizing life is not merely a collection of isolated events. It is a connected story. Now, AI improves through new versions and updates. But we humans, we have the opportunity to be transformed at the soul level. And perhaps transformation begins when we stop seeing life as scattered pieces and begin seeing the hidden geometry that is holding everything together.